Hi everyone, I want to talk about what's happening this week and next week through the 11th when you have papers due. So tonight, as you see here, you have your theory and rationale paper due tonight, Monday, by 9 p.m. And then we start Unit 4. And here are the things that are going to happen in Unit 4, but things are slightly different. Here's your syllabus. One of the things that and I just put these in red, I added these, they're not in Blackboard. We're doing things slightly differently this week. So on Tuesday, this is an asynchronous class, which means we are not meeting. Before Tuesday, if you want extra credit, you should complete the fallacy of logic assignment. That's lesson 1A, so you'll have that. Then a lesson 2, or 1B is what it is in Blackboard. You'll do the evaluation lesson, and you have your evaluation assignment, which is a discussion board, is due by Wednesday. We'll look at that. So this Tuesday, remember, is asynchronous. Also on Tuesday, before Thursday, you should look at the last 2 lessons, which are actually lesson 2 and 3. On Thursday, we normally meet in small groups, but this Thursday, on the 30th, we're going to meet as an entire class for the entire class time. And during that class, I will be going over the last 2 lessons, the 3rd and 4th lesson, which are actually labeled lesson 2 and 3 in Blackboard. So it's important that you review the material in those files so when we get to class, we can really start to delve into what your papers are going to look like, the next 2 papers, which are IE, implementation evaluation, and budget. So I want to look at Blackboard. Again, here's what's due tonight, your paper. Here is the extra credit lesson. Here's the discussion board. Remember, your quizzes 6 and 7 are open from the 29th to the 1st. And then your budget and IE papers are not due until the 7th. Hopefully on the 5th or 7th, we're having interns visit us. And once the interns visit us, I will open up the extra credit assignment, which is here, but as you can see, it's hidden. I'll open it as soon as I know what the interns are going to do in our class. So just to look inside Unit 4, here's Lesson 1A, Fallacy of Logic, Lesson 1B. Those need to be completed. This is by Tuesday night. This is by Wednesday night. You'll be working asynchronously on Tuesday. Then lesson 2 and 3, which are implementation and budget. In your syllabus, it says lesson 3 and 4. You need to open each of these and review the material in here before class. You need to do this because we're not going to spend time going over everything in class that's in the lessons. So what will happen is you need to finish the readings, the lecture, and looking at this, and we'll go over these items, which are parts of your paper that you're going to write. Then in the budget section, you should do the required reading. Here's the slides without video. Here are the slides with video. This is very important because there's links in the presentation that will help you find out some information. When you come to class on Thursday, we will go over this paper. So here's the implementation and evaluation paper, here's the budget paper, and the quizzes will appear on June 29th and stay open through July 1st. So that's what we're doing this week. Just to remind you, Tuesday the 28th this week, we are not meeting as a class. It will be asynchronous. Thursday, we will meet as an entire class for the entire class time so we can go over your last 2 papers before the grant. These are all online. Remember, all of our classes are online now, so Tuesday is asynchronous. You're on your own. Thursday is synchronous. We're meeting as an entire group for the entire time. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask, and I look forward to seeing you Thursday night online.